meaning, its care sheet is about if you want to know about tarantulas as pets, first thing is about choosing a tarantula as pet. First thing is you have to know the knowledge and safety precautions. This is an example of tarantula feeders. Sa Madagascar hissing cockroach.
Okay, let me begin. Okay. Let's start from the beginning. This is a tarantula. This is a scorpion. And also, this is a tarantula. These are two different tarantulas. A terrestrial and an arboreal. An arboreal lives in a tree, tarantula tree. And this tarantula is a terrestrial that lives ground dwellers, that lives in the ground. Some burrows from underground or on top, just living on leaves, barks, under it. And a scorpion lives only at land. No, there's also arboreal tarantulas, but scorpions, but it's small that you kids can't see. So, this is also an example of a feeder or food for the scorpions and tarantulas. This is the Madagascar hissing roach, originally from Madagascar, but bred here. And these are the seedlings from that we bred. This is what you saw on TVs, like in Fear Factors, right? You saw this one, like Fear Factor that they eat. They swallow, they eat this one. So this is rich in protein. So this is needed for the tarantulas to be like bloated or mabusog sila. Okay. So okay. Anyways, who wants to touch an infant or an insect? Okay. You.
Kids, take your seats, take your seats.
Pow!
Okay, later on you will experience more of the animals.
Oh, balik ka daw.
Okay, later on when you visit their exhibit areas, you will experience more of the different kinds of animals. Now I would like to ask everyone to settle down because we will be going outside to witness the flight of an owl.